Is your home a little run down or outdated? Take advantage of the SuperBonus 110% incentive, now available for a limited time from the Italian government for residents and non-resident property owners. Homeowners can renovate their homes almost free of charge, or reduce the cost of additions, considerably increase the resale value of their property, save up to 100% in electricity costs, and even save up to 100% on heating costs based on electricity. Call us today to see how you can revitalize your home with no hassle and very little cost. Our experienced professionals will manage everything, and keep you informed every step of the way. You can also opt for a luxury upgrade. All you need to do is relax and enjoy your new sanctuary. Visit our website for more details, www.superbonusproject.com, or call now, 0039-347-5198-242. Hurry! This offer expires December 31, 2021. Revitalize your home with ES Project Management.